No people were injured during the shoot. చిత్రీకరణ సమయంలో ఎవరికీ ఎటువంటి అపాయం కలగలేదు. Hello everyone. In the last video you guys have seen the purify and dismantling process. In this we'll be showing the assembly process. You remember the disc stack, top disc, and this is a ball hood. So everything was cleaned properly with the diesel oil. The ball hood and the ball should be matched properly. When you match properly, you will see a rack. You can see over there. That rack will be visible at the exact position. After that, and this is the lock ring. You should remember the way you tighten it. It's a left hand thread. For the tightening of the lock ring, he is using the special tool. When it comes for the tightening, it shouldn't be more tight or less tight. For this, there is a marking given on the ball hood on the lock ring as well. You have to match both the markings. Always remember the thread direction and follow it because you don't want to damage the parts. And now he'll try to match the markings in an alignment, and you can see over there it's not visible properly, but try showing it. Whatever parts we have removed for cleaning, they are completely assembled now. Now while dismantling, we have arrested the movement of the ball and we have to release it now. After this, go for the gauge glass, unwrap it, make sure there is no sludge available, not only over there, anywhere on the machine. Clean O-rings, whatever the places you see. You remember the locking mechanism in the down. Pull the locking mechanism and hold it in the position, then close it. This concludes the assembly process. If you feel like this video is useful, try sharing. Thank you.